Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a Google document that you've completed to your teacher. So in your lesson, you're going to see that your teacher has attached a document. Go to View Assignment, and you'll see a document here under Your Work. This is the document that you need to edit. If you double click on it, it will open up in Google Docs and you'll be working online. So what I've done here is I have already completed this document here. And once you're done, here next to the share button, you will find a turn in button. You can click that when you're done. And the great thing about this is that it's going to attach this for you. You just have to press turn in here. And here you can see that your teacher will be able to find your attached file.